to my channel and another video. So let's get into this quick get ready with me. First, I'm starting off combing out my hair. It's been in a ponytail for a couple days, so I'm just refreshing it up. I'm using the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops to just get a little bit moisture in my scalp.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the tea on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money.
And to do my edges, I'm using the She Is Bomb Edge Control. And I'm just going to do a swoop on, a swoop on this side. And I'm just cleaning up the part a little bit. It's about time for me to wash my hair, but I just needed to refresh it really quick. That way I needed to get where I need to go. But anyways, yeah, that's all I'm doing on this side. And then I'm also going to smooth up the edge part and then pull out my sideburns and swoop the other side, like a side swoop.
Southside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party.
And also, if y'all want to see any other type of hair tutorials as far as being natural, let me know in the comment section if you are natural or if you're not natural, any type of hair tutorial. I will try and do it. So yeah, all of this is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just putting my hair in a low ponytail and then I'm going to put it in a bun later on in this video. And as always, all the products that I'm going to be using as far as makeup will be in the description box below, so don't fret. All the products are usually what I use in my other makeup tutorials. If not, like I said, it will be in the description box below.
Seaside, I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels in a safety. Riding on JUVIAS. Gotta roll OT, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock up in your sleep. I'ma roll on them forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
A claps. All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. When you forget something, baby, you run out of time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. No, I wouldn't wanna bleed. And my body says, But you got me going crazy. Things that you do is so bad.
For this pussy talk, English, Spanish, and French. For this pussy talk, euros, dollars, and yen. For this pussy talk, Whitney's, Robes, and Pin. For this pussy fly private, eyelids to end. For this pussy talk, Birkin, Gucci, Chanel. For this pussy talk, Louis, QYSL. For this pussy make movies wetter than a whale. For this pussy be choosing, trapping, and filming. Don't nothing but it's cash, man, this pussy talk. Don't nothing but it's bad, man, this pussy talk. Don't nothing but it's cash, man, this pussy talk. Don't nothing but it's bad, man, this pussy talk.
This pussy store these niggas. Pussy be like, can you avoid me, niggas? Broke niggas in my face, pussy ignore these niggas. For the bag, pussy speak poetry, niggas. Boy, this pussy from the hood. This pussy from the project. This pussy so ghetto. This pussy speaky pun. Pussy snatch bag, playing tug of war. Turn a nigga gang, he gon' go to war. You want this pussy real bad? Say pretty please. Cop me baguettes, make my wrist freeze. Got niggas overseas going crazy about me. Jamaican, Cuban, French, Japanese.
For this pussy talk, English, Spanish, and French. For this pussy talk, euros, dollars, and yen. For this pussy talk, Whitney's, Robes, and Pin. For this pussy fly private, eyelids to end. For this pussy talk, Birkin, Gucci, Chanel. For this pussy talk, Louis, QYSL. For this pussy make movies wetter than a whale. For this pussy be choosing, trapping, and filming. Don't nothing but it's cash, man, this pussy talk. Don't nothing but it's bad, man, this pussy talk. Don't nothing but it's cash, man, this pussy talk. Don't nothing but it's bad, man, this pussy talk.
Pussy talented and do cartwheels. And he pay cause he like how that part feel. Yeah. Pussy give speeches, heartfelt. Said the pussy really talk like it feel. Said I got away with my lips, poker face daddy. You know I don't play with my
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope y'all like it. This was a quick get ready with me makeup and outfit. So I'll show y'all my outfit in like a picture or a clip. So yeah, if y'all like this video, go ahead and subscribe and make sure y'all comment down below what else y'all want to see. So yeah, without further ado, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.